Alright guys, so the tripod is not working right now, so I went ahead and opened up the box just for the video's sake. But I haven't looked inside yet, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Sheesh. I ordered this off of Heel Toe Automotive. It's the Accelerate clutch with the lightweight flywheel. The flywheel should be under here. We'll go ahead and check that out right now. But yeah, here's the Accelerate clutch. A lot of people recommended it, and this is the daily setup. And it comes as a package deal, so it comes with the clutch and then with the flywheel, which we're about to see if it's under, which it should be. I'll be pretty upset if it's not, but anyways, it actually shipped pretty fast. I'm not even gonna lie, like, it took probably about a week, but I mean, with this whole coronavirus stuff going on, that's actually pretty quick if you ask me. So yeah, here we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. But here, check it out, the clutch, and then, you know, all the stuff you need, the alignment tool, everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of this. Okay, so we pulled the clutch out, and then this is the daily package. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So this car is my daily right now. I do plan on, you know, making it a track car eventually, but first I gotta get, you know, a new daily. So for now, this will do. I can always upgrade. Plus, we're doing all the labor ourselves, so we'll just have to do it again, I guess, in a couple years. But anyways, here's the lightweight flywheel. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's ASCO. Should be ASCO, most likely. But yeah, here's the lightweight flywheel. Go ahead and show you guys. I don't know if I can open it while it's still in the box. Okay, I might have to pull this out. Alright, so here's the flywheel, guys. Installation instructions. We'll go ahead and go over that later. Yeah. See if I can pick this one up. Oh, this one, bro, this is like 20 times lighter than the OEM one. The OEM flywheel, I'm not sure if you guys have pulled out the original one from your guys' TL, but it's completely heavy. I couldn't even lift it with one arm. This one, it's pretty light. I can pick it up. I literally held it with 2 fingers. The other one I had to use both arms just to be able to pick it up. So yeah, that's the lightweight flywheel, and then as you can see, the clutch. So yeah, I can't wait to install this. This is actually going on next. And then I had a company hook me up. They gave me a discount code that I can hook you guys up with. But basically this is, oh shit, I already broke it, bro. Basically this is a, it works as both a dash cam and a rear view camera, and it records both ways. So it records your frontal view and your rear view. And it's actually, it's basically a mirror. It goes over your original rear view mirror, but this one records in HD. It's also a screen, so you can see off of the actual mirror like what's going on the video feed. It's pretty cool. So yeah, when I install this, I'll hook you guys up with the discount code. It should give you a pretty decent discount. And then this, I actually got this on Christmas from my brother. Let me go ahead, open it up for you guys. There's some steel Nrg Lug Nuts. See if I can pull one out. Damn, these things are, the box is pretty heavy. But anyways, yeah, some red steel lug nuts. They are Nrg, or Nrg, however you want to say it. And then you can either keep these caps on there, or you twist it off, and you put the spike. So I'm gonna go ahead and when I put these on, here, let me put them side by side. When I put these on, I'm gonna see which style I like better, with the spike or without. Or I might just run both, like run the spikes for a while and then run it without the spikes. Comment down below, what do you guys think looks better? I'm kind of digging the spikes a little more now, honestly. But yeah, so I got some lug nuts as well. And then last but not least, this is actually the thread repair kit. I don't know if you guys have ever had stripped motor mounts or transmission mounts. So this is basically for that. You basically rethread it. The guy that rebuilt my transmission, we showed him like basically every single mount was stripped, and he recommended us to go one size higher, which is M12 by 1.75. I think original for the Acura is M12 by 1.5, so this is the next size up. He recommended to rethread all the mounts, so you basically use this tool right here, and then yeah, you just basically rethreads it, and then it comes with all these, and then just put them in there, and it should fix your problem. I think that might be the main reason my transmission messed up, because my mounts were bad, so my transmission would kick a lot. You know, after so long of that going on, it definitely messed up some internal things on my transmission, so can't wait to have that fixed. And then I have a couple other things coming in the mail. But yeah, guys, so far all I have for you guys today is clutch and lightweight flywheel. It's the Accelerate and ASCO combination. It's the daily package off of Heel Toe Automotive. Hit them up on Instagram, and they'll hook you up with some type of discount code. Just ask. They're pretty good people, so I definitely recommend. And then this, I got it off Amazon, if anyone is wondering. Here's the ASIN. There you go. You can screenshot that and type it in. And then the dash cam, I'm definitely gonna hook up to the TL. And then my lug nuts, I'll probably throw these on as soon as we get the new clutch and flywheel on there. And then yeah, I'll go ahead and do a separate video on that. But yeah, this is basically gonna be it for today's video. Just a short little rundown of some future things that are coming for the channel. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. And then we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like on the video, share it with your homies, your cousins, your mamas, your aunties, everybody. Help the channel keep growing. And then pretty soon, if the channel keeps growing at the rate it is, we'll start doing bigger mods. For now, it's just little things, you know. I still have I have a regular job. I got bills. But if this YouTube starts picking up, it'll definitely help out with some major mods. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I appreciate the love and support, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, everybody.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't ever seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.